Pretty neat, huh? Hey, I'm Clyde Martin, top Tread Stairways. We have our shop in Southern Arizona, but we do work all over the West Coast, in fact, 50 states for that matter. Today we're in Northern California, right along the Sacramento River, near downtown, installing a 33-foot long slide, all black walnut stairway. So it was about 2.5 years ago, I got this call, and the O'Briens, they said their architect recommended me. They have a highly unique project they're looking for. Can I meet with them? And I said, sure. And we came out here, and just this morning again, Marilyn said that I was the first one that was able to grasp what was in their brains about their dream and actually understand it and say, maybe I could build that. I work out of a 5,000 square foot shop. It's something that we put a lot of thought in over the years. I've been able to build that 2 years ago, and yeah, it's my dream shop. All my main workhorses are Lagunas. I mean, I've got the 12-inch table saw, the 25-inch spiral cutter planer, 12-inch joiner. My dust collector is a Laguna. The bandsaw, forget what it is, 20-some inches. That's a Laguna. Yeah, so this is traditional woodworking. It's not, real high-tech something. I do my own CAD work. I am seriously looking at purchasing a CNC, at least 3-axis CNC for cutting parts rather than subbing that work out. So that's the next big item that I'm looking for. So we just pulled in with the trailer. We have the slide broke into 3 large sections, and what we're going to be doing is carrying them in and lifting them up into place, joining them back together like they were in the shop. Yeah, so bolting each, there's 7 hidden bolts at each joint. There's 2 joints, and we're going to be assembling the whole slide and the stairway adjacent to it. Stair stringer is all one piece, and then the treads get attached. So by the end of the day, hopefully we have the stair that you can walk on and the slide that you can take a ride. So what we really specialize in is pre-building stairs and parts in the shop and keeping site time down. I find that 1 day in the shop equals about 2 to 3 days it would take the same thing to do on the site. So yeah, that we were able to completely pre-build the slide and the stair fully assembled in the shop, and then break it down, as well as smaller custom parts like this, the spiral newel post. This was something we designed and built all ourselves, just discovering what was in the customer's head, what their dream consisted of, and putting it into something they could touch and feel, and they thought it was great. This project was obviously probably the most challenging all around that I've ever put together. I've done straight slides, we played with angles on slides. The pitch of the slide was a super important thing that we really put a lot of thought. We built a full-scale model so we could slide down and just feel it, make sure we had the right shape. Yeah, so it was, biggest challenge on this job is you have an existing tower that is 12 foot 2 inches in diameter, and this stairway has to fit within that circle. And obviously, if I'm going to build it, it's going to be built in my shop. I said, I will not build it on site, but if I can figure out how to build this in my shop, we're good to go. And that's what we accomplished. It's been a success. Praise the Lord. That was great.